eruption has erupted. The volcano sent clouds of ash and smoke over the cities. A hot lava is flowing down onto Mohawk College. It destroyed the beautiful cars in Mohawk College Lodge.
ESL students are on the Mohawk College roof. They are yelling for help. They are in a very dangerous situation. Their teachers are very worried and they are trying to help them.
And now this is Veronica Lee, ESL teacher from Mohawk College. Veronica, what's happening?
We have a problem now. Our students are on the roof, but we can't get to the top because firefighters have a coffee break now in 3 minutes. I'm frustrated now. I have to find a way.
Thank you, Veronica. We all hope they will get help, and we will keep following the story for you. This is Yasmin Gailani from Channel 5.